going on, squad? What's going on, family? What's going on, gang? It's your boy Jeezy, and today we have a special segment, a segment that I just came up with a couple days ago, a segment that I like to call Relax and React Sundays. And what Relax and React Sundays is I don't know if that's right. It seems like a double negative. Oh, look, a tower back there. What Relax and React Sunday is, it's where we come together as squad, the family, the gang. We sit back, I react to videos, we watch them, and we just chill. It's been a long week. We use this Sunday to relax, as I said, relax and react Sunday. So all you gotta do is come in, sit back, relax, grab your orange juice, your popcorn, your Sunny D, your Skittles, your Red Bull, whatever you want to drink and eat, and we're gonna sit back and watch some videos. I'm getting ahead of myself right now. To the new subscribers, welcome to the squad, the family, the gang. Thank you for liking the videos and subscribing. We're at 90 subs right now, so let's try to get to, I want to get to 100 at least by the end of the day, or Monday morning at least. Then the channel growth has been crazy. Y'all have been showing me love in these videos. Hopefully you guys like Poppy's Playtime. That video was I don't even want to get into that, but but before I start rambling on too much, you already know what to do. If you want to become a part of Squad, the Family, Gang, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, follow your boy on Instagram and on Twitter. And with that being said, we're going to get into the video. Alright, man. So, last night, this is what I saw. October 30th, 2021. I was laying down on the couch, and it was like a dread kind of hit me in the chest, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm like, wow. Like, I'm just now recovering a little bit from PTSD of watching the other ones, but now I have to watch this. So now I'm finna just get back into it. So the Mandela Catalogue exhibition is what we're about to watch. So buckle up. That's all I'm going to have to say is buckle up and make sure you have a second pair of underwear. Alright. Man, oh my gosh, bro. At least it's not a game. Just so y'all know, it's the Mandela Catalogue exhibition. Uh-oh. Here go that chill I'm getting, bruh. Here goes the chills, man.
If you'd like to make a call, please hang up and try it.
Gosh.
Noah went out of his house for some fresh air.
Bruh, chill out. I couldn't read it. I'm not going back either. Alright, so if you don't follow him on YouTube, so apparently that's Mark, and that's I think his sister. I can't remember her name, but I know that's Mark. If you follow him on Twitter and on YouTube, he posted this picture, and it's Mark. So if you don't remember, Mark is from the first one. And so I think Mark is dead from I think a doppelganger ended up getting to him. That's what I think. Don't quote me on that, but I do know for sure that's Mark. I don't know if that's his sister or not, but that is Mark, just so we know. Crime Investigations 1992. Wasn't even alive. Thought about. Heathcliff v. Who knows? Altercation Evidence Real Case number 00432. Agency Mandela Company Police. Collector Lieutenant Thatcher Davis. Item number 17. Time 3:21 a.m. That's when all the scary stuff happens. Mark Heathcliff's bedroom. Personal camcorder. Why is somebody always recording something, bro? Alright, baby, let's go. Let's get this. Let's get this. Let's get this. Top of the morning, top of the morning, top of the morning. What is that? Oh, he's walking. Oh, no, 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 no. This is our first time. Oh, no, I don't do that. It's our first time actually getting somebody like walking and like actually recording what's about to happen to him. So he's, oh, that's the church. That's the church he took the pictures in. Oh, yo, I know y'all see that. Yo, if you pay attention to Mad, it said if you blink and it is getting closer to you. Oh my gosh, why would you open the closet door? Or why would you even open the door, bruh? Shut the door. Call. No, you can't call nobody because they ain't finna help you. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh my goodness. Please don't be a jump scare come up. Please don't. I will. Oh my gosh, bro. Bro got closer to the door, dog. Why? Oh, ooh, ooh. The head at the window, the head at the window. Remarks. Footage implies that Heathcliff had been paranoid for a prolonged period. Buddy was not paranoid. Buddy was getting stalked. Reasons are implied. Department, United States Department of Temporal Phenomena. If you or a loved one has recently been affected by the result of exposure to analog television and mirrors, contact your local authority immediately. Financial compensation will not be available. But if I ain't getting paid, then what's the point? If you have any further questions in relation to the recently issued television or mirror destruction order, call the number below, 202-555-0156. Who calling the number? The Mandela Catalogue for the Preservation of Security Season 1 Finale Exhibition. Alex Kister. Alex. 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 Oh, shout out to Corey Kenshin. Shout out to Corey Kenshin. Yes, sir, ski. Oh, man. Oh, man. That was the finale. Wow. That was scary, man. That was creepy, bro. Like, it's not even jump scares. That's the scary part about it, man. It's not even jump scares that scare you. There, you know, there won't be any jump scares, but it's just the eerie feeling, man. Like, you get what I'm saying. Y'all get what I'm saying. Like, you get me without really me having to say what I'm trying to say. Is he doesn't have to use jump scares to scare you. He will literally use, like, when he says, like, what is your fear? He's literally using your fear to scare you. And that's the scariest part. When somebody can scare you without having a jump scare, that's a person you don't want to mess with, bro. Let's just get into the second video. Our second video is Blue Channel Thalasin by Goose War X. I hope I'm saying his name right. Most definitely I will leave his channel in the description below. This is one that somebody else told me to watch in the comment section. Let's hope that I don't get a heart attack. Alright, so let's get into it.
You or a loved one are suffering from any of the following symptoms: lack of feeling, emotional outbursts, fog of the mind, or memory loss. This may be a sign of onset AED or advanced emotional deterioration. Today, 7 in 10 people over the age of 21 report experiencing emotional degradation severe enough to hinder everyday tasks such as workplace performance, social interaction, and general well-being. Emotional stability is required for a functional and healthy mind. Correcting AED used to require rigorous testing and invasive procedures, costing time, effort, and money. Today, the solution is Thalasin.
Thalasin. Okay, that's how you say it, Thalasin.
Using our modern understanding of brain mapping, Thalasin is able to reproduce the emotions necessary for any occasion. Not only does Thalasin restore lost emotion, but patients have reported emotions at a higher and more consistent quality than ones produced non-chemically.
What?
Included in every pack of Thalasin are these common emotions: happiness, sadness, anger, fear, and relief. Also, look out for over-the-counter options such as jealousy, hope, frustration, and pride.
So we popping emotions now?
Tired of only experiencing natural emotions? Or maybe interested in expanding your emotional palette?
Good, bro.
Cutting-edge brain mapping technology has not only
natural.
allowed us to refine existing emotions, but has also allowed for the creation of new emotions and emotional experiences. With Thalasin Plus, experience emotions beyond previous natural capabilities. These new emotions include degrance, humber, nage, dorselessness, andric, veronate, haunted, harp, transiveness, deluge, Break. To experience the power of Thalasin, call the number on your screen now before supplies run out.
You know what, bruh? Y'all in these videos, dog. Can we just get to the next video, please? I don't even have any words. I don't have any words. Why did his face contort that way? I'm not taking Thalasin. Next video, please. Alright, so for our last video, we have the Walton Files 1 company introduction tape. This video is by Martin Walls. Again, all these videos with the channels will be down in the description below if you want to go take a look at the original one. But this is supposed to be really good, so let's just get into it. So this VHS like feel, everybody loves this stuff. VHS always is creepy though. So, and why does it look like there's a spider on his nose? And he looks like a pretty broke Bugs Bunny, like hand-me-down.
Hi, and welcome to the introductory tape to your new job at Bunny Smiles Incorporated. You have applied to a job in technical support and maintenance. What does this job particularly mean? It means that you, amongst other employees, are the one who will take care of creating a magical and fun experience for Bond's Burgers.
First of all, I'm not eating there if that is what they look like. Who is taking their child there, bro? Who is working there? I'm not. Wait, hold on, bro. Wait. Let me see if I can get back to Buddy. Hold on, if it's gonna hand back to me. Imagine going to work every day. This is a normal 9 to 5 job. You're getting paid, I don't know, let's say $10 an hour just because you got to deal with this guy. You're closing, you're the technician, so you're going to be there at night. You're closing, and you got to work with this guy, that guy, at night. I'm not doing it, bro. I'm not. You couldn't pay me enough to work with this guy. Like, look at him. Imagine working, it's 10 o'clock, nobody's in the store, you're the only technician there, you hear something fall. What you doing? What are you doing? You're not staying, bro. You're not doing it. So don't care. I don't care. I don't care.
Don't care. Don't care.
Sun has got his hat on. Hip, 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 hooray. The sun has got his hat on and he's coming out today.
Bro, I'm not working here. This Five Nights at Freddy's vibes all day.
How much is that dog in the window? I do hope that dog is for sale.
How much is that dog in the window?
This is why I couldn't work at Chuck E.
The
Cheese.
one with the waggly tail. How much is that dog in the window? I do hope that dog is for sale. Old MacDonald had a farm, and on that farm he had some pigs.
These are the showstoppers. Bond, Shaw, Boozoo and Banny, a computer-animated band made by BSI to entertain children. As a technician, you'll be given the role of a facility caretaker. Around this fun and magical journey we'll work on certain tasks, such as cleaning protocols,
Robot maintenance and repair.
and learning how to use BSI technology. But first, here's a message from Jack Walton and Felix Kranken, our beloved founder.
They look
Which
creepy,
reads,
too.
in BSI, the most important thing to us isn't the money or the rating. The most important thing to us is that you have a wonderful experience while working with us.
That being said, with the Bond's Burgers restaurant getting opened in a few weeks, we're looking forward to achieving this dream with you.
What? The BSI store formerly also known as K9, is a company project storage all valuable items from the Clothes for Good Bonds Burgers restaurant. Given the situation about the incident, I couldn't even read it. Hopefully y'all will be able to read that. Maybe pause it. What? I don't like
It's
this.
a brand new day in Little Bond's neighborhood, and a really special one for sure.
Why does Buddy look like that?
Little Bon has been waiting all day for his friends to arrive. He is planning to have a sleepover with them. He has everything set up for the perfect movie night with his friends. For this sleepover, he invited Shah, Boozoo, and Billy. Let's check again in case we don't forget any guests. Bon invited Shah, Bozu, and...
Who the heck are you, bro?
Oh, that must be them. Now that everyone has arrived, I suppose it's time for the movie night to begin. Bon spent all his money on a really funny movie, which he hopes all of his friends will enjoy and will laugh with Little Bon.
What is this?
And friends watched the movie. I guess we can say they had a blast of a time.
Please, stop.
Once the night dropped, they all ate.
Oh my goodness. Why is he still up? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Jack Walton is missing. One of the owners or founders. A lighter. What you finna do with that, bruh?
Stay. Yeah, I think that's good enough. So, this is the...
We still got like 3 minutes left, bro. Like 4 minutes and like a second, bro. I like, nah. It's like, oh my gosh, 4 minutes and like 9 seconds left, bro. I can't.
Caretaker for
Oh, bro, hold on, dog.
I'm recording this because the company requires some type of archives for the work history, something like that. I honestly have no clue because I started working here. Actually, I'm still in there right now. But they gave me this weird location, somewhere in a forest, I think, to work at. And I've been driving for 20 minutes.
Why would you even, if you're driving 20 minutes in the forest, why are you still driving? Why are you still going there, big dog?
I think this has got to be it. Anyways, so Chris told me this place hasn't been working since about 78, 79, somewhere around then, and that was 4 years ago.
Poor soul. My boy is so, he don't even know what's going on, bro. If dude tell me 20 minutes in the forest, I've been. Oh, I mean, oh. There's no way possible I'm doing this, bro. You can't pay me enough. He must be getting paid like $500 an hour or something. Because there's no way.
Let's check out the head of the mountain. And we'll be given the head.
Did he do that? I think he did that. He did that. He moved the head. He moved the head. He had to. Yeah, he's moving the animatronic. He's moving it. Yeah.
Check the left arm. Yeah, the left arm. The left arm.
Please don't scare me.
What was that thing?
Bro. Why? Oh, thank you, it's over. Oh my. Y'all, I can't even make an outro right now. Y'all got me so shook. I am shooketh to the 10th power. Shooketh right now. Yeah. To this. Y'all let me know what y'all want to see next Sunday. Like I said, I'm gonna make sure I start putting my Twitter like on the end somewhere, like I don't know, probably insert it like now so that you guys can actually see it. But yeah, let me know what y'all want to see next Sunday, and let me know what y'all want to play next. What want me to play next, whether it's a horror game, fighting game, whatever it is, I'm down to play it. I might upload a video tomorrow. Not 100% sure yet. Just let me know what y'all want to see next, man. Like, thank y'all for the support, and just wanting to watch these videos. I can't let you know how grateful I am. I know right now we're a very small channel with 90 subs, but I know that we'll end up growing and we'll end up creating a crazy community that we're finna go crazy. That's all I know. Just get used to it. Get used to the squad, the family, the gang, because that's y'all squad, y'all family, y'all gang right now. You know what I'm saying? But y'all already know what to do. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, follow you on Instagram and on Twitter. Until the next time, y'all stay safe, stay healthy, stay cozy, because it's getting cold. I'm out.